Hey everyone, I'm Kalyan Kumar and you're watching Product Review. If you're here for the first time, check out this video. And if you find such videos useful, then do consider subscribing. In today's video, I'll be helping you mirror your iPhone or iPad or an Android phone or an Android tablet for that matter on your computer. You might want to do this for a variety of reasons. Say you want to make a video showing how to use an app. Using this, you can mirror the phone on your computer and record the phone screen also. These days, we are doing a lot of online work, including teaching, and you might want to show something to your students which is there on your mobile device. Now, with this, you can mirror your device and show them right on your computer screen. The app we will be using is called Let's View. The advantage of this app is that you can use any computer, Windows, Mac, or even Linux, and you can mirror any device, iOS or an Android device. So it is not OS or device specific. Secondly, it is completely free and hopefully will stay free forever. Thirdly, it has the ability of mirroring an iOS device and an Android device simultaneously. You can even write or annotate on the device screen on your computer. And fourthly, you can do the unthinkable. You can even mirror your computer on the mobile device itself. So if you have a bigger screen, say an iPad, you can mirror your computer screen on the iPad and control your computer's mouse movements and keyboard also using this particular app. With all of that out of the way, let's dive into it. Open a browser on your computer and type Let's View on the search field. Now click the site that says Let's View free wireless screen mirroring app. It will now offer you a download option based on your operating system. Hit download. I have it already with me. You can see all the OS options. Install and open it. Now head over to your phone. First, I'll show you with an iPhone. Please note that the phone that you are seeing right now is not the mirrored one, but it is basically screen recorded. Head over to the App Store and search for Let's View app. Get this app, which is the second one in the list. Just match the icons. Just open the app. Go to Home at the bottom. Now look at the connection. It will show you your computer's name. If you don't see it, press Redetect. At this time, please know that for any type of mirroring to work, you need the phone or the tablet to be connected to the same network as your computer. Now your computer could be connected by a LAN cable or Wi-Fi, doesn't matter. And the phone would be most probably Wi-Fi, but they need to be from the same network source. When you hit the name of your computer, it will give you two options. Mirror the phone to the computer or mirror your computer to the phone. Let's try the first option initially. Now you need to swipe from the top and hit screen mirroring and then select your computer's name. And there you go. The phone is now mirrored on the computer. First, let us look at the resolution. Go to the app and click the three lines called the hamburger icon. Click Settings. You can check the AirPlay resolution and set the resolution you want. Mine is set at 2K. Generally, if you want no delay between the content being shown on the phone and on the screen, choose a little lower resolution. But if you're watching a picture or some website, you may choose a higher one also. Now, click the hamburger icon on the phone display. It will give you some options. You can choose to go full screen. If you click that, then the entire phone display covers the computer screen. This will help you showcase to your viewers and make them focus on whatever you want to show them clearly. To exit the full screen, click the exit button. You can choose to pin the phone display on top. If you click any app, it will be on the front. But if you want the phone display to be always on top, then click this. You can take a screenshot or even rotate the screen. You can even annotate on the phone display. Click this icon and using your mouse, you can draw and annotate on the phone display on the computer. It will not display on the phone. You can change colors. You can stepwise undo the annotations and clear them all. You can exit the annotate part. You can even record the phone screen. So whatever you do on the phone, it will be recorded except for the audio. You stop recording and then open the folder. It will show you the recordings and you can play them back. While viewing the app, though, you can get audio. I'll go to my Photos app and pull up a video. Next thing we look at is mirroring an Android device simultaneously with an iOS device. Please note that the phone that you're seeing right now is not mirrored but is basically screen recorded. Head to the Play Store, search for Let's View app and install it. Install the third app from the top. Open it. Hit the computer name. Hit the phone screen mirroring. Hit Start Now. Now the phone screen is mirrored alongside the iPhone screen. As you can see, both phones are working simultaneously. Also remember, both phones can't be iOS. Now let's stop the iPhone mirroring and let me show you the iPad mirroring along with the Android. Again, the iPad screen you're seeing currently is not the mirrored one. Head again to the App Store and make sure to install the Let's View app. Mirror it the same way as the phone. The iPad screen is now mirrored. One issue that I noticed was that in the landscape mode, it cuts off some part, but in portrait mode, it is fine. But when I go full screen, it is the other way around. The portrait is cut off, but the landscape is completely available. Now I'm going to do the reverse. I'll mirror the computer screen on my iPad. Do everything same except this time touch the computer screen mirroring. In my computer it shows click allow. Now my computer screen is mirrored on my iPad. Moreover, right now I'm moving my finger on my iPad and the mouse arrow is also moving on my PC. Now the mouse won't be exactly on the place where you touch on the iPad. It will simply function as a mouse pad and my finger will be the mouse. I can move the mouse on my iPad, I can even click things and it will work like a proper mouse. So now you can control your computer from the iPad. I can even annotate on my computer with the iPad. If you touch the arrow on top of the iPad screen, it will open up annotating options. If you hit the power button option on the iPad screen, all annotations will go off. And these annotations happen even on the computer. The last part is to show you how to use the Let's View screen mirror in OBS. I've already set up the required scene in OBS. Use Windows Capture as the source and select Let's View in it. This is how I generally use my iPhone screen to be captured. So that is it, folks, for this video. I hope you like what you saw and this video helps you in your project where you need to show something from your phone screen or tablet screen to your viewers in an online environment. If you like this video, do hit the thumbs up button. And if you like to see more videos of this kind, please do subscribe to this channel. If you want anything specific that you want me to make a video on, please write them in the comment section below. That's all from me. Have a nice and wonderful day. Goodbye and stay safe.